Welcome to my live. Today we are doing the Eat More Tacos transfer, and you can see that you also have an alternative, Eat More Cake, if it's a birthday or a celebration. And I'm using our pedestal board. So this is the base of it. It's a distressed white chunky piece of solid metal, and it has a peg in the back. And then on the back of this chalkboard pedestal, there are two spots here or here so that you can do your board vertical or horizontal. And it holds all of our size A transfers and some B transfers, depending on how big of a design you want to put on it. I am always trying to make sure that I have the peg hole in the right spot, because I have done it the wrong way and then had it be upside down. So I always check where that is before I start. And I would recommend everybody do that. Even when you're using one of our boards that has like the sawtooth on the back, you want to just double check it and make sure that the sawtooth is right side up. For example, let me show you my Grayson board. So our Grayson board has the ability to put it vertical, horizontal. So there are two sawtooth clasps on the back. This is if you want to hang it longwise up and down. And then you've got your sawtooth there. Just flip it over, check it, make sure, regardless of where you got your board or what kind of board you have, just double check where all the hardware is before you get started, and then you don't have to worry about doing it sideways or upside down, because it happens more times than you would think, even though you think you checked it. I've still done it sideways or backwards. All right, so the first thing I'm doing right now is pulling up our Facebook feed so that I can see who jumps on to watch, and make sure I am in my VIP group. There. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this transfer up. So I'm following the little white guideline on where to cut. There are two. I'm cutting it with the backing on. It makes it thicker, makes it nicer to cut that way. And then I'm going to real quick write what goes back on so I know which side's which. I'm going to set that one over there because we're not going to use the cake one this time. Okay, and let's stick our base off to the side. We don't need to have that right here. Okay, so I've got my fuzz cloth here, and let's go ahead and peel this new transfer off of its backing, and we're going to put it down and pick up some fuzz on the terry cloth side of my fuzz cloth. All right, so this is a really cute, some of these food signs, I mean, you can literally make art to put in your kitchen and dining room area where you eat, or where your breakfast nook is, or however your house is organized. My family loves taco night, and so this is a cute one to put out there in the kitchen on a day when we're doing tacos. It's a cute sign to have. So anyway, I tried to pick some fun colors that have to do with tacos, of all things. So I tried to pick some, like, the parts of tacos. So for the start of this, let's do the taco part, because I'm going to do white chalk on top for this part. So I got these really fun colors, and I thought I would go ahead and do the word tacos in these fun colors. And I was thinking of like all the components in a taco, like tomatoes. So I have this really bright candy apple red. This is to represent tomatoes. Okay. Then I got this bright orange peel. This is supposed to represent, I mean, it could be either, this could be either the shell or the cheese. Some people think and say that cheese is kind of orange, so I thought that would go good. Then we have yellow, which could either be the shell or more kinds of cheese. Let's see, we've got green for lettuce. Isn't this neat? All these bright colors, making me hungry. Gonna have to do a Taco Bell run after this. Good thing I already ate dinner, so it's not that torturous. Okay, and then I have brown for our ground beef. Now, you could do fawn if you're more of a chicken taco eater. I love beef tacos, so I'm good with that. All right, so there are our taco colors. So let's go ahead and remove this part. We'll stick that transfer in the cold water to start rinsing. And then we are going to finish with some white. We're going to do the Eat More in bright white. Why can I not open my white? Okay. White tends to get a little bit thick faster than the other colors. The components that make white, the white tint, like titanium and all of that, they tend to be a little bit more drying. That's why I wanted to do this color last. All right, so we're just smoothing it, spreading it through here. Get the excess off. Okay. That is so cute. I love this. So this would be a really cute sign for your kitchen or where you eat, but it would also be really cute, I think, inked on like a lunch bag, or you could even do t-shirts or backpacks, pencil pouches, whatever your heart desires. There's so many cute ways to use these transfers, and that the fact that they're reusable means that you practically have endless opportunities to come up with as many different ideas as you want to. So that is that, and then I can put my board right onto my base here. Let's find where the peg goes. It's ready to display just that easily. And that was cool. I like the way the multicolored word taco turned out. I think that made the design. I was trying to think of a non-boring way to do it, and adding that color, I think, is perfect. Well, thank you so much for watching my live. If you're watching this as a replay, can you just comment #replay and then share it with your friends so we can spread the chalk love? Thank you so much. You guys have a great week. Bye for now.